my God, what is he doing? Alright, good morning guys, how are you? Welcome to our girls' day out, dun dun dun, because whose birthday is it? Evie's, and she's 13, and these girls are gonna take you on their day out, and we have lots, we're doing a lot today. It's gonna be fun. We did a lot yesterday, but it's gonna be fun today. Our first stop is we're gonna go get our nails did. Nails did. So that's our first stop, and we have more fun things that we're going to be doing. We will take you along, so welcome. If you're new, let me know down below so I can chat and say hello. Otherwise, let's get going. Peace it out. Peace.
Alright guys, hello and good morning. I haven't said good morning to everybody.
Yeah.
Bones, you saying hello?
Hello.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Hope everybody's having a great weekend so far. And as you know, the girls are out having a great time with Isabella, and it's Evie's birthday today, so they're having fun. It's girls' day out, girls' night out. And so anyway, I have got the 3 little ones with me, and Kendal has obviously the older ones with her. And we're out and about running some errands, birthday stuff for Evie. Got some surprises and such going on. Sebi's got a little surprise going on right now that we're doing for him. We'll tell you about that later. Maybe you'll find out about it later in the vlog. All right.
Everything's a big surprise.
Everything's a big surprise, isn't it, today? Tons of surprises, huh? Kapri's back. Yay! We're so glad to have Kapri back with us.
You already said that when we were closing.
Bye. All right. We'll see you guys later. Peace.
Alright guys, so we are at lunch, and we were gonna go somewhere else, but it was so crowded because there was like a festival thing going on, so and we spent like almost an hour there trying to find a parking spot.
Going in circles.
Like I memorized the whole place.
And then we finally just decided to leave. So we're at this place. What is the place called? Gonza. It is a Mexican restaurant, and we are going to go eat because we are starving.
Yeah, so hungry because we've been like in the car driving in circles over and over for like an hour. So yeah, now we're really hungry. Peace.
So we're at Gonza.
Yep, and we are eating it, and we have chips and cheese dip and whatever that's called.
So good. And we're so hungry because we drove around. We literally drove for an hour there and then coming here. So, but it's okay, it's worth it because it's less crowded here and everything is here. And we have we're gonna get our nails done, paint, get Gigi's cupcakes. We could even, and then drive down the road and we can get custard if you want to. We're gonna be like so full.
I know.
We are. What's that? Alright, we're gonna take a picture, but I was trying to catch the girls. They were being silly.
Sebi already got his hair cut, and we're walking to McDonald's because it's like right down the street, so we can just walk to it. Chick-fil-A, I mean, not McDonald's, Chick-fil-A. And
show his hair.
Oh yeah, here. Looky. It's in a man bun.
Yup.
Peace.
Alright guys, so I am out here at, where am I? North Hills. And I just met a bunch of awesome, cool girls from Daniels Middle School.
Yeah!
What's your mascot?
Blue Jackets!
Go Blue Jackets!
Yeah!
And so everybody's gonna sing happy birthday to Evie.
Sadler. And
Sadler.
Sadler is her name.
Okay, so Evie's our little girl then.
Oh.
So say both when you sing happy birthday.
Okay.
Okay, go.
Happy birthday
Give your
Follow me
flag.
on Instagram at AMAZICLE with his shout. That's what we're
Hi. Psst, psst. Isabella. What are we doing? Drying our nails. Let me see.
Wait, I'll take it out. I got mine in like a blue screen.
I don't need a hit to believe that I'm living. You can lock me up if my tongue keeps slipping. I'ma keep spitting up rhymes I'm digging, and you can be my fame. Don't need a fast car to imagine I'm tripping. You can light it up, girl, I ain't the guy judging.
What are you doing?
Alright, so we at this like painting place where you can paint like all of these.
So many.
And
So what have you chosen?
I've got this dog, and I'm gonna make him Liva or
Liva.
Oakley.
What about you, Missy?
I love Tiny.
Oh, obsessed with their dogs. It's true. Okay, Isabella.
Pineapple.
Yeah.
I love pineapples.
I do too. Cute. And I'm gonna do a mug.
Oakley.
Rich life mug.
Usually like grows on like this and then has their paws up.
Baby, that's on me. I don't need a boost.
That'll be cute.
This is every
Fun.
part of me and everything I do. If it's the money part you're digging me, I will take you to a place downtown. But if you don't like all the bling you see, I'll show you my little smooth.
So this side looks good.
Look at the wonderful mug.
So I'm not keeping it. No. It was a good experience.
Yeah.
It was
I
very
tried.
fun.
But this was in your lap. Show them yours.
Look, see, it's pretty good. Look, mine's pretty good, the eyes.
Little pink
But it's
dot.
gonna be a pink for God. I'm not done with it. Look how good Isabella's is.
Like, oh my gosh,
We should have done pineapples.
Yeah, we should have done pineapple.
Why didn't
And then Brand's liver. Oakley.
we? We had some struggles at the beginning, but it's turning out okay. Oh wow, the back. Oh my gosh, that looks exactly like it. Mama, look at the back. Yes. I will never.
It's David Lopez.
David
Lopez is
camera.
so funny.
Shout out to David Lopez. His name is Quan.
His name's Juan.
Quan.
They say Quan. It's Juan. Let me try.
Did they call me?
What are you
Oh,
doing? Oh, you did it.
Oh wow.
What'd you do?
I don't know. I think it's cool. I can't do it.
Jody does this. Shout out to Jody. If he watches, no fail.
Bye. All right.
Oh yeah, okay, wait. Ready? Go. Put your legs up high. Oh my god. Look your neighbor in the eye. Paint a rainbow in the sky. Something, I don't know. That's where it's like me. It's as easy as to be, so follow me. Tony, what are you doing?
Just lost it.
Hi, Evie.
What?
What?
Happy birthday. So we're at, where are we at?
Oh, wait. Robin.
Where's Robin? Yum.
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 Yum. You excited to eat? That's all we've done this whole weekend. Is
I know.
Just eat. Yeah.
Shop and eat.
Shop and eat.
yeah. Eat. Are you excited about eating?
Yeah.
You excited about eating?
Hey, go.
What? And Dog. Dog's excited. Oh, look at these.
Come on.
What?
Go and take a sip. You want some?
No, he's got a cough.
Yeah, say what those drinks are. Tell me that.
What'd you get? What are they?
Sour.
It's like a raspberry limeade.
Limeade. It's good, but it's carbonated.
It's good.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's good.
It's good.
Having a good birthday, Evie? Hey, Evie, having a good birthday so far? Good.
Yeah.
I just saw it.
I know, I did too. Oh, hold up.
need to flip that.
Is that Bones?
Yeah.
Were you giving mommy kisses?
Yeah.
I saw you. I saw you sneak a kiss in.
Can I have a kiss? Kiss.
Oh, there you go.
Not on the lips.
No, Eve.
Look, he's laughing. No kisses? Stop. All right, peace it out. You say peace. Ready? Oh,
Good job.
good job. All right, guys. So one of the surprises is that we brought balloons for Evie, okay? And Daniel dropped them off.
When the lights dimmed, I looked up. And I looked up. Look what I saw.
Look up. Y'all see that right there? That's one of Evie's balloons.
There's 3 of them.
I wonder who is.
That's one of 3.
Yeah. Who's responsible for that? I know.
Don't say anything.
Don't say anything. Sebi, don't say anything. Okay? Don't say anything. All right? Bones, don't say anything. Okay? Okay? Okay. All right.
He might spill the beans.
He's gonna spill the beans. Hashtag spill the beans.
Look what I found in the freezer. I found cake. Good news is the Sunday's free. And it's free cookies. Happy birthday to you. Yes.
Thank you.
So ice cream, Sundays, calories.
Wow.
It's an Oreo ice cream.
Got your candles.
Did you make a wish? It won't come true now. With this. Here, bring it over here and I'll help cut it.
Balloons. Pretty balloons.
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 So,
Oh, that's a funny story.
yeah.
So
We
that
thought.
balloon is not ours. No, these are ours.
It's ours.
Good.
Now we know who.
Perfect.
Yeah.
No, they're not. Connected. How's the cake, Eve? Is it good? Awesome. Good, Brin?
Okay, so we're doing presents. Alrighty. Go ahead.
It was at 5.
Wow. Pretty.
That's totally.
Thank you.
Oh, that's so cute. Oh, thank you, Isabella.
It's like all that.
What is it?
It's like this clean thing. It's really
Oh, you
Wow.
put it in the bag.
Yeah.
Cool.
Awesome.
What's this? Highlighter. Highlighter? I don't know what that is. But okay. That's so nice.
Is that Pacifica? Really nice. You're
Awesome.
spoiled. What
I know.
do you think?
Oh, I know you're like that.
Cool.
Cute.
That's the stuff you've needed too. Oh, that's awesome.
You are so cute. So nice. That's a beautiful card.
Oh, you guys all signed it?
Yeah, we all signed it, Eve.
There is a dead bird. Oh my God, what is he doing? What is he doing? What is he gonna do with it? What's up? Oh my gosh. What is he gonna tell me he's not gonna throw it away?
Oh my God.
Oh no. 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 What did he do? What did he do? Did he throw it away? Oh my gosh. Alright.
You just like laid it on the top of the trash.
Y'all, so this bird flew right by us, but he was flying fine.
Yeah, it was like flying.
And I don't know if he hit something. Then all of a sudden we look, and he was like he was like
The ground.
on the ground in his neck, like, and he was like injured, dying. And we went over to him, and then this guy came, and I literally thought he was gonna fall away.
Yeah.
this guy, he goes, oh, and like I thought he was gonna step on him, and I was gonna like.
I've never seen anything like that in the airport. This poor guy, but then like he just went to his death. Oh, did he throw him away? I swear I think that was. Are you gonna go look? Come back and report. Come back. Okay, what?
So he's like on like the trash can, but he's alive, but he's like.
So he needs to be like put out of his misery, but in a kind way.
Yeah.
That's really sad. Okay.
His eyes are open,
But he's on the trash can? He's not like in it. They can just put him there. Just like, okay.
Yeah. It's sad.
That's really sad. Poor boy. We're
A lot
sorry.
of sad things are happening today.
What a bummer. So you went and checked on the bird.
Checkup number 2, he's gone.
I don't know if that's good or bad. Like, did he
I don't
recover
know.
and then?
Did he fly away? I mean, I have no clue.
What if he hit his head? Seriously. And he was like kind of not silly. And he flew off. Or somebody
Maybe.
found him to help him.
Or he was faking his death.
Because he was scared?
Yeah.
Playing dead?
Yeah.
Maybe.
I don't need a hit to believe that I'm living. You can lock me up if my tongue keeps slipping. I'ma keep spitting up rhymes I'm digging, and you can be my fame. Don't need a fast car to imagine I'm tripping. You can light it up, girl, I ain't the guy.